Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2016 BMW i3, and on this vehicle I'm going to show you where you find your VIN numbers. We have 4, there could be more locations of VIN numbers, but there's 4 easy ones that you can look at to be able to verify your VIN number and make sure that this is the right vehicle. So the first big one is inside the door, and that's the one that has most of the information of where the vehicle is made and all the other classifications there. So to find that one, we're going to open up the front door, and it is right here up at the front of the door on the pillar there. So of course this one gives you the manufacturer, the VIN number right there at the bottom above that barcode thing, and what the type of car is, and the tires and the weight on this vehicle. So that's the one that's right here inside the door, the first one. Then the next one that we're going to look at is the one that's on the firewall or just below the front windshield. So then we have the one right here that is below the windshield on top of the firewall, and so you can verify that with that other one to match that. And then on this vehicle we do have another VIN sticker that is stuck to the front hood of the vehicle. And then last we have another one that's inside the cabin compartment for the verification. So coming to our passenger side, we come here. You would slide your passenger seat forward, and then as far as you can, even you can raise it up using the front lever there to raise it up. And then coming basically to the back, through the back seat, where your feet would be sitting here if you were sitting in the back seat, and you'll see a little cover here. It says VIN, and you can just pop this up, and we have a VIN number there to be able to match with all the other corresponding ones. This one is completely etched in the metal, and so this one would never be any different unless somebody ground it off. But that's where you find your 4 different locations of VIN numbers. There could be some more on different parts of the vehicle, but with those you can be able to confirm that you have the right VIN number on this particular vehicle. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.